Assalamu alaikum everyone. So in today's video we will be talking about, or we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 13A of NSM1. Question is, the area of a rectangle is 259 centimeter square and its length is 18.5 centimeter. Find its breadth or width and its perimeter. So I've written everything on the board so that you can see. You can open your book also. It's page number 322. So first of all, I will tell you that rectangle is a shape and it's a quadrilateral, and the properties are that two opposite sides are equal in length. So we know that length of one side is 18.5. So it means that the other opposite side is also 18.5. Now we don't know this, let's call it B, and we know this opposite side also. So to find parameter, because parameter is sum of all the outer boundary, we need to figure out what is breadth. So to find breadth, let's use the formula of area, because we know that area of a rectangle is length multiplied by breadth or width. Area is given 259 centimeter and length is given 18.5 centimeter. So breadth will still be there. So now this is basically an algebraic equation where there is one variable b to be precise. Now if you are not familiar with how to solve equations, so I tell my students that this 18.5 is multiplied with b on this side of the equation. So when we will take it on the other side of the equation, the operation will be reversed. So it will be 259 divided by 18.5. So I can always change the sides of the equation, because equation is just like a balance. So it does not matter in which side of the balance you put weight and on which side of the balance you put value. So the sides can always be changed. We can always write left side on the right and right side on the left as per the need. So now it's 259 divided. Alright, so if you do this division, the answer is 14 centimeter. I've already solved it, but if you cannot solve it in the paper, you can always round off this 18.5 as 19 and then you can divide, or you can remove the decimal and you can divide 2590 with 185 and you will get exact value of 14. So in the paper basically, or in any exam, it is very important that can you figure out the answer or not. So now I know what B is, so I can write down here B is 14. So I can apply the formula of parameter now. Parameter of triangle is length plus breadth plus breadth, or 2L plus 2B, because there are 4 sides in a rectangle. So two lengths are 18.5 plus 18.5. Breadth is 14 plus 14. So now double of 18 is 36 and 0.5, 2 halves will become 37, and this double of 14 is 28. So now 5 and it is 65 centimeter. This is the perimeter of this particular rectangle. So I hope yes, this question is clear. If you have any query till this point, you can ask me separately or in the comment section. Thank you for watching everyone. See you in the next video.